Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put wire inside of a pancake box. So normally when you put wire into a box, you're going to use an MC connector. But with this, you don't need an MC connector because this is a special, different situation. Sometimes the bigger pancake boxes, the 4.0 pancake boxes, do have spaces for MC connectors that you can use. But it's not very good because once you put the MC connector in, it basically comes out flush with the front of the pancake box, and it's not ideal. But depending on the box, this has built-in supports for the wire to clamp the wire, so it's basically your wire support, but your 4.0 box might not have those. So each situation is a little bit different, but today I'm going to show you guys how to put your wire inside of there. I'm going to run the other switch leg like I ran this box to this box, switch leg here. I'm going to run another switch leg from this box up to this box. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so in this situation, you are going to put your wire in one of these holes. I sometimes like to remove this screw just so I can easily knock this out and then put it back in. But in this situation, I'm going to use an anti-short because it's the right thing to do. And you can either tape this on to put a piece of tape over this so the connector doesn't fall out or anything like that. I'm just going to put that in there right there. So like I said, take your drill, screwdriver, whatever you want. I'm going to just take this out real quick. This is going to be probably a 1032 screw. I'm just going to set this down right here so I don't lose that. Next, the easiest method is going to take your 1/4 inch flat screwdriver, just put that right into the hole and then just wiggle it on out of there. Obviously, once again, it's going to be easier to do this if it's not attached to the wall. But you're going to need to rotate this pancake box to have an open hole so it's not behind the stud, because if your hole is behind the stud, you're not going to be able to put wire into it unless you drill a hole at an angle or something. So make sure when you mount your pancake boxes that your hole is available to put your wire inside. All right, so next all you're going to do is put your screw back in there, or you can put your wire through first. So you're just going to put your wire through. It's probably easier, actually it's probably just going to be easier to screw this back together first. Make sure it's going the right direction, round side on the round side. And then you can go ahead and just get a little ring through there, a little ridge of the MC, so you're not pinching the wire. Just gonna nice and tight, not too tight, not pinching the wire. There you go, nothing too crazy about that. And you can go ahead and fold your wire in here. You can ground this later, I'll go over that in another video. And then once again, you can determine your length here, going into this box over here, and then go ahead and cut that for your switch leg, all that good stuff. But that is how to put your wire inside of a 3.0 pancake box. All right guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully I'll see you guys back in the next video for some more tips and tricks and tutorials on how to do some electrical installs. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. God bless. Love you guys. Peace.